Okay, so hi everyone. I didn't realize my camera screen was so grainy, but today is April Fool's Day. It's the 1st of April, and it's just me at the Collaboration Cafe today. And so I think I'm going to just make this little recording to put it up on YouTube, and then shout out that many of our community are attending the collaborations workshop at the moment. And there is a hack day that starts this evening and carries on tomorrow that Malvika Sharan is going to be leading a collaborative effort around the Turing way for that hack day. So there is also an opportunity to take part tomorrow. And I think that's probably why there's not so many people here today. The other thing that I just want to very quickly share with folks, I will find the link right now and share my screen, share, and here we go. So this is a call that was posted today on the 1st of April. The deadline is Friday, the 3rd of April at 1 o'clock. It's extremely soon. It's a very fast turnaround. But I hope that you will understand that the reason is that this is a call for rapid response data scientists to be part of a project investigating the use of whether we can gain insights from the use of intensive care unit data from a couple of NHS trusts at the moment, but hopefully we will have a few more. I just want to, the call document is really excellent. It's got lots and lots of information in there about ways of working. You can either submit as a team, if you are already part of a data science team that does health analytics work, or you can apply to the talent pool. And I think that Turing Way community members are extremely well aligned with being part of the talent pool. I will be leading on reproducibility as part of this work, making sure that any insights that we have are fully reproducible and are archived so that we have a really great transparency of kind of what we're doing with the data and what we're gaining from it. And I just want to scroll to this timeline. So please do put your name in for the talent pool, because it would be brilliant to have people like you, researchers, librarians, research software engineers, data scientists, anybody in our community who is able to help some of the clinicians and also the analysts be really confident in the reproducibility of their work. We're hoping to turn around insights within a 24-hour period. It's going to be very, very fast once we start going, and supportive implementing some of the processes that we've developed within the Turing Way, or we haven't developed, but we are advocating for within the Turing Way, would be really great. So please do consider coming along and applying for that. Please consider applying to either to be part of the teams, or I think most of the audience for this are going to be really applicable for the talent pool. And thank you. And stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Appreciate it.